Plastics, the amazing material of the future. It's lightweight, it's cheap, and so durable. It lasts forever. Unfortunately, plastic really does last practically forever. We recycle a little bit of it, the rest goes either into the landfill or into an even bigger graveyard.
2.5% of world production ends up in the ocean. That's a huge amount when you're looking at 250 million tons a year.
When it comes to the plastic-filled sea, Captain Charles Moore is the canary in the coal mine.
Umbrella handles!
Shall we go for Mary Poppins? I grew up swimming, sailing, surfing, collecting shells with my grandmother, and you didn't see plastic waste floating around in the ocean. That ocean is gone now, and I watched that change happen.
Moore was a furniture restorer with a fondness for the sea. But one day in 1997, sailing back from a sailboat race, he saw something in the North Pacific that shouldn't have been there. Floating bits of plastic.
It's amazing, the variety of debris that we found. Everything from toothbrushes and umbrella handles and popsicle sticks to industrial plastics.
He had stumbled into a swirling sewer of floating plastic the size of Texas. It's earned the nickname the Great Pacific Garbage Patch.
There's this popular idea that what you discovered is a giant plastic island.
Nothing could be further from the truth. It's not connected like an island. It's not solid. It's a dispersed soup, we call it, of trash. And they're really just places where currents tend to accumulate the detritus of civilization.
Moore soon learned that the North Pacific Garbage Patch was only the beginning. It turns out that there are 5 giant swamps of floating plastic in the world's oceans. So he got busy. He started a foundation to study the problem. He learned how to write papers for scientific journals.
What is that fine-looking contraption?
It's designed in the same principle as a filter-feeding ray called a manta ray. It's a very efficient, accurate tool for capturing surface debris.
When he drags this special sieve through the North Pacific Garbage Patch,
halfway between here and Honolulu,
this is the result.
Gosh! It's a junkyard! Thousands of miles from shore?
Absolutely, yep. Line, stirrers, parts of former things. Well, this is a ring from that was a bottle cap was twisted off of. It's got what we call the nurdles, the pre-production plastic pellets.
We didn't sail far from San Diego Harbor, but we still discovered that the fishing was good for plastic.
Well, the deadliest catch.
The plastic soup doesn't just look gross, it may also pose a serious threat to the planet's health. First, as the plastic breaks down into crumbs, it looks to sea life exactly like food.
Fish get fooled. Birds get fooled. We found 35% of the fish we caught out there to have eaten plastic.
Do we then eat that fish?
That fish is eaten by fish that we eat. So yes, it is coming back to haunt us.